Totemobile is a robotic sculpture that initially appears as a life-size representation of the culturally iconic Citroën DS automobile. In performance, this familiar figure is visually exploded, subverted, and elaborated through the various levels of abstraction until it reaches its final form, an organic 18-meter tall totem pole. Upon reaching its full height, the work blooms with light in the form of multiply organically inspired inflatable sculptures, suggesting the final maturation of an enormous biological organism. The work has just completed a 3-month exhibition in Citroën's Champs-Élysées showroom in Paris, where it enjoyed its world premiere in November 2007. The Totemobile is composed of 27 electromechanical linear actuators and motors for its movement of main components. Totemobile's form is also accentuated by the addition of 10 low-pressure inflatable pneumatic elements. All of the Totemobile's main actuators are safety checked by double redundant travel sensors, position sensors, and tilt sensors. All of the Totemobile systems are operated automatically by an Allen Bradley industrial programmable logic controller. This automobile's point of natural transcendence lies in its inflatable airbags. In protecting and distancing its unforgiving synthetic body from us, the inflatables provide a point of direct contact with biological frailty. This point of contact provides the crack, which harbors the germ of the unassailable automobile's biological aspirations. The Citroën becomes fertile ground, which this growing inflatable seed covertly consumes, co-ops, and subverts for its own needs. The new thriving body yielding where required to ensure the viability of its newfound skeleton. The comfortable and utilitarian form of the Citroën DS leaving its pedestrian servitude and stretching to achieve the organic beauty and flexibility more subtly suggested in its original architecture. The form of the totem pole is narrative in nature, As the sculpture rises, multiple narratives unfold. In the collision, negotiation, and compromise reach between the organic and the inorganic aspects of itself. Narratives suggesting entropy, domination, transformation, mortality, and the nature of strength are exposed. Once the resulting half-breed reaches its full mechanical height, the inflatables finally bloom brightly into view in a moment of hybrid ecstasy, and the mechanized lid opens, revealing the new growth of an organic stamen. This sign of a fully matured organism extends further into the sky as if seeking the sun. Taking large inflatable breaths, it increases its strength and size. The elaborate organic machine assimilates and conforms to its architectural confines, as if it were using the limited space the building provides to support its own growth. After 20 years of practice using robotics, seeking to create metaphors with machines and emulating the human condition, McMurtry's Totemobile is the first of his sculptures that attempts to drastically change the direction his work has taken by engaging popular culture. Totemobile is a hybrid of an iconic symbol of popular culture and the notion of organic aspiration. It is a car that makes a biological journey upward instead of the culturally and mechanically familiar forward and reverse. In our comfort with cars, we are invited on that journey with Totemobile, re-inspiring awe in the nature that has sheltered and conveyed us long before the appearance of the automobile. Totemobile weighs 4,600 kilograms, fully assembled with dimensions of 2.5 meters by 5.2 meters by 3.0 meters tall in its retracted position. It can extend to a maximum height of 18 meters, although a lower display height is possible if 18 meters cannot be accomplished. Totemobile requires electrical service of a 4-wire, 230 volt, 60 amp AC, 50 Hz service. A forklift with a minimum capacity of 5,000 kilograms at 1.25 meter center is required to unload the machine. Approximately floor loading is 360 kilograms squared.